So what products can help with the sustainable transition? As you can see over here, we have heat exchangers, we have manure dryers, we have water filtration systems, we have manure separators that are useful for example, pigs, but also when you have biogas. We have pelletizers, we have compost towers, air cleaners, as well as cooling machines. We provide heat pumps, and we even have geothermal energy technology, where you basically take heat from the lower part of the earth and then transport it back to your house to heat up. We have a few projects running like that in the Netherlands. And on the left, for example, you can see a heat exchanger that converts energy from the air cleaner to useful heat in clean water that can be transported to air inlets to condition incoming air. For example, the first few days when you need a lot of hot air in the house when you have baby chicks. All right, this is an air cleaning video. As you can see here, this white round bubble is air. It's still fresh, it's white. There's no air pollution, the air temperature is okay. But when it goes inside of a house, there's a lot of harmful gases. So the air temperature rises, and then the air pollution also rises. Then it will hit our air cleaning system. It will get an acid shower, and then slowly the air temperature drops, and then the air pollution is gone as well. So whatever we emit is very clean air. This is a side view. Here you can again see the shower in action. It gets rid of all the harmful gases coming out of a chicken house. And then the lower part, you can see where the water is being captured. It's very hot water. And that water we can also use for our so-called triple E heat recovery system. So all the hot air is then coming out of the chicken shed and then is being captured in that basin down below. And that hot water is then being transported through pipes underground or above ground, it's up to you, towards the inlets to condition the air. And then the inlets also have heat exchangers in front of them. So here, let's say if you need to heat up the house in the first few days, when you need a lot of high temperatures above 30 degrees, we can condition the house with heating. So a heat pump is a system that can be used to make hot water, and then that hot water can go to the inlets. But the latest technology we introduce is our air conditioning unit to further cool down the house. It is the same principle as you just saw in the video, whereby we use heat from the wastewater in the air cleaner to export to our inlets, and then via the inlets it goes into the house. But instead of hot air, this time it's cool air. So the air chiller, the one on the left, chills it to 10 degrees, and then through pipe